Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Real quick before we get started, just a reminder to please like, subscribe, and share the channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 230. If we start with this box, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 7. We've got 1 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 1 here, so 7, 1. For this box, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 4. 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 4. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 2. 1 here, so 4, 1. For this column now, we're missing a 2. For this column, we're missing a 4. For this column, we're missing 3 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 3, 4, 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 9, no help here. 1, 3, 9, same here. 1, 3, 9. For this bottom row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 3, 5. For this row, we're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 4, 8, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 8. 2 here, so 8, 9. 2 here, so 8, 9. And that means the only place the 2 can be is here. For this row, we're missing a 7. For this row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this column now, we're missing 4, 5, and 8. We've got 4 and 5 here, so this is our 8. That makes this our 4, 5. That 4 makes this our 8, 9, 8. For this column, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got 4 and 6 here, so this is our 3. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. And with that 9, we can get rid of this 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 6, and 7. We've got 2 and 6 here, so this is our 7. 2 here, so 6, 2. That 6 makes this our 4, 6. That 4 makes this our 3, 4. That 3 makes this our 1, 9, 3. And for this last box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 9. Oh, no, that's not right. We're missing 1, 8, and 9. So we've got a 1 and 8 here, so that's still our 9. 1 here, so 8 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.